Imagine this view every day, and then imagine this beautiful job that we done. This is one very close to my heart. I mean, I put, wow, a lot of heart and soul into this one. Beautiful outdoor kitchen, ivory, travertine, bordered. We just put all this beautiful grass in, leveled it all. All this grass we done. All this beautiful pergola. I mean, this is just, I don't know how to put it. I'm in awe still, especially at night. I gotta put some pictures at night. You guys gotta come see. So, especially beautiful outdoor TV, furniture. I mean, it just don't get more beautiful than this, except for, look how green it is today. Almost a turquoise. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. So, this is what we do every day. Anytime anybody ever wants to come by and see our jobs, speak to our customers, they are always more than welcome. Here's a beautiful Kamado style grill, all natural stone, level 5 granite. Level 5. This granite was a lot of money. This is our most high-end Twin Eagles grill. It's about as high as you can get. And beautiful sink. So yeah, this is the way we do it. Nice sound system. We even put us a nice little drain in for the condensation from the house. But yeah, look at this sound system. Look at those beams attached to the home. When the hurricane comes, I'm gonna come to the party here. Let's just hope we don't have another one. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.